This message was transmitted by the request of the Springfield Police Department. The Springfield Police Department has been reported that an unknown creature was spotted in the vent. The police are getting information about the creature, but all residents must stay away from this creature. If you see the creature, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This is a child abduction warning. The following message was transmitted by the request of the Springfield Police Department. Police are looking for 3 children that were abducted from their homes in Springfield. The first child is Zoe Marie, age 9. Has brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing an orange shirt, pink skirt and white shoes. The second child's name is Manny Brown, age 6, has black hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a dragon shirt, black pants, and green shoes. And the third child's name is Ricky Jackson, age 7, had brown hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a green shirt, teal pants, and yellow shoes. All of the 3 children are abducted by the unknown creature. This creature is confirmed to be hostile towards humans and animals. It can enter into people's homes by breaking their vents. We will update the creature later. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Springfield Police Department. We got information about the creature who kidnaps the 3 children an hour ago. Please listen carefully to this update. It is a beaver and an owl. The left side of its face has the owl's face stitched on. Its nose is actually the owl's beak, and the owl's left wing is attached to the creature's head. The owl's right wing is attached to the body. Its left hand is replaced with one of the owl's feet, and it was replaced with a bloody knife. This is a dangerous situation. All residents must stay in your homes immediately and lock all your doors and windows. That includes the vents. If the creature has been broken into your home, use a legal weapon at all means cost. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Springfield Police Department. The creature who tries to enter people's houses that they have vent has now been identified, and its name is confirmed to be the Beavowl. He is a beaver owl-like creature from the game One Night at Flumpty's 3. He is now killing everyone that's in his path. All residents must stay indoors until the Beavowl is captured. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation.
This is NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that the Beavowl from One Night at Flumpty's 3 is attacking and killing everyone in Springfield. We definitely do not know how he got here, but the police will try to take him down. The 3 children were abducted by the Beavowl are found safe in an abandoned house. The child abduction emergency is now over. All residents must stay away from the Beavowl. If you see him, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. If you refuse to evacuate, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
Welcome to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens, and we have some breaking news that the creature known as the Beavowl from One Night at Flumpty's 3 is releasing gas from the gas station. This gas can is releasing toxic gas to infected people, meaning that they can, coughing, sneezing, sickness, bleeding from the eyes and the nose, and what's worse, death. This is a very dangerous situation. All residents of Springfield must stay in your homes until the gas is gone. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off. Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens, and this an update that the gas station who caused by the Beavowl is now ended, but the Beavowl is still on the loose in Springfield. The military will try their best to stop him. If you see a creature that resembles a beaver and an owl, which is the Beavowl, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Springfield Police Department. A mandatory evacuation is now infected with the Illinois area. The creature known as the Beavowl from One Night at Flumpty's 3 is going on a rampage across Springfield. He is now killing everyone that's in his path and breaking into people's homes and entering the vents. All residents of Springfield must evacuate immediately and lock all windows and doors and vents. If the Beavowl breaks into your home, use a legal weapon at all means cost. If your shelters is intruded, use arm protected at all cost. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
At this time, the Beavowl from One Night at Flumpty's 3 is still on the loose in Springfield. He attacked by using his knife and breaking into people's homes to kill them while entering the vents. This is a very dangerous and scary time. But we asked all civilians to leave this area immediately until an all-clear message is given. The military are trying hard to take this creature down, but having trouble due to his extreme powers. If you refuse to evacuate, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
Welcome back to NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that the Beavowl is still going on a rampage across Springfield. He is still attacking and killing civilians across Springfield. This is way worse. And we all that the Beavowl is also killed the animals, but there's two entities that can save us, a very large mutant Tyrannosaurus Rex and a shuriken holding a bamboo staff and wears a purple bandana. The two entities are still unknown at this time. Everyone should remain calm as the two entities are trying to take down the Beavowl. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. Welcome back to NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that the two entities are now been identified as Distortus Rex and Shurigata. The Distortus Rex is from the new movie, Jurassic World Rebirth. And Shurigata is from Planet Hoppers, or simply known as Sensei S. I hope those two are going to stop the Beavowl from attacking Springfield. Wait, I hear something who comes out of the vent. Oh no. It's the Beavowl. He has broken into the NBC headquarters by destroying the vent. I need to get out of here.
This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Beavowl had broken into the NBC headquarters and killed David, and we do not know how the creature got in. The two entities, Distortus Rex and Shurigata, are going to stop the Beavowl from attacking us. All residents must stay in your homes immediately and lock all of your windows and doors and the vents, and seek shelter immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery-power radio with extra batteries. If you see the Beavowl, call 911 immediately. Golly, not make any sudden noises and turn off the electronics because the Beavowl will hear you. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens, and this an update that the two entities, known as Distortus Rex and Shurigata, that resemble two characters from Jurassic World Rebirth and Planet Hoppers, are still on their way to stop the Beavowl from attacking Springfield. He's still attacking and killing everyone with his bloody knife. All residents must stay calm at this time, and don't open the door for strangers. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participate will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for National Emergency. The President of the United States or his destination represented over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We have interrupted your regular programming. America is under attack. I repeat, America is under attack. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast or cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House. To participate will follow activation of the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public inside areas. This is NBC, who will continue to sever the Illinois area. If you're not a local area, tune out stations provided news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system severing the Illinois area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line will kept for the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Beavowl had cloned himself around the entire United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. These creatures are extremely dangerous and should not be approached. Also, another thing, multiple reports say that the clones of the Beavowl are attacking everyone across the entire United States, all residents of the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. Shelter in place immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery power radio with extra batteries. If you go outside, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. All of clones of the Beavowl are all defeated and killed by Distortus Rex and Shorigata. And the real Beavowl is captured by the animal control. All residents of the United States, you can get out of your shelters immediately. However, it could take a few days to repair the damage that the Beavowl and his clones did. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume.